Okay, this is Nervous Nick. I got the fan on here. I'm cooking I'm making taco meat. Making tacos. I got the shells over here. I just did them a little while ago. The regular corn shells, high heat in there. I dumped off the grease from my meat right here. I'm cooking the meat. I just dumped the grease. The extra grease is coming out of the meat. All right, I cooked two a little bit over 2 pounds of meat, and I threw 1 onion in, and I threw a green pepper in there, and it wants I got some original taco seasoning here. It wants water, and I'm gonna put oh, I didn't spread this thing out good. I'm gonna put I got a mild and an original taco seasoning here. That's all I got, so I'm using one of each. See, for each pound of meat, they want a packet of taco sauce. So, taco seasoning. I'm using a mild and I'm using a regular. Oh, and I'm going with a can of diced tomatoes here. Just a generic brand. I don't know where they got that at. Okay. 1 can of diced tomatoes. 1 can of tomato sauce, just without the tomatoes in it. And it wants water. It wants what did it say? 3/4 of a cup for each packet. Wants that much. So I'm gonna put. I was trying to see how much room I got here first. Let me bring it up to a boil. I'm gonna put all right, we'll go with one of the 3/4 cups. It's almost a cup, since I got some room here. Without boiling over, I don't think. It's Nervous Nick. Go down in the description for the video. If you're on your cell phone, and open the description, click more. Right at the bottom of the description, click more, and I think you got to click it twice. Click MORE, and you'll see down in there. It'll come out. I got affiliate links down there. I can't remember what all's down in there. And if you use one of those affiliate links to buy anything there, they'll give my channel a couple dollars. It won't cost you nothing. You'll be helping out my channel. I'm going to mix it up a little bit here. Hope you can hear me. I got the fan on here in the background. So check out my affiliate links. Check out my Patreon link too. My Patreon channel. And we're bringing it up to a boil now. What do you think? Should I add more water? Talk to me in the description, or you know, I know I'm saying too much. I should have wrote a little script here. Oh, there I go. In the comments. Leave comments, hit like, hit subscribe. It's Nervous Nick. I just threw this together real quick, this video for another, just so I got something up there. I know I ain't been posting in a while. Alright. I might do one more, might do a little more water here. Another half cup. Should do it. And I'm gonna let it cook for about, I don't know, probably 15 minutes. I'm gonna turn it down now in a minute. I just got it up to boil. And I'll add some pepper in there and some salt. This will be enough for a couple days leftovers. So that's it. It was 2 pounds of meat, 1 onion, 1 green pepper, a can of diced tomatoes, a can of regular tomato sauce, 2 packets of taco seasoning, 1 regular and 1 mild. That's all I had. And a cup and a half of water. About a cup and a half of water. And now we're up to a boil. I'm going to turn it back down now. I let it boil a little bit too much. Okay, now I'm down on low. This Nervous Snake. Go ahead and like and subscribe. And I guess I'll see you in the next one. I'll let you know how they came out.